Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Nissan Kicks with the key. First, find the small release button on your key fob and slide out the hidden physical key. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's door. Once inside, make sure all doors are fully closed and you are comfortably seated. This method is useful if your key fob battery is low or dead, preventing the car from detecting it wirelessly. Now, with the physical key used to enter, you'll need to use the key fob itself. Press the key fob directly against the push button Start on your dashboard. Simultaneously, make sure your right foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. Double-check that your gear selector is in park or neutral if necessary, before proceeding to the next step. With the key fob pressed against the start button and your foot on the brake, firmly push and hold the start button. You might need to hold it for a few seconds, typically 3 to 5 seconds, until the engine fully ignites. Once the engine is running smoothly, you can release the start button and remove your foot from the brake pedal. Your Nissan Kicks is now ready to drive. Remember to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible if you're using this method frequently, as it indicates a low battery. Always refer to your Nissan Kicks owner's manual for any specific instructions or additional troubleshooting tips unique to your model. It contains valuable information for maintaining your vehicle. Also, check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.